Hello everyone. Firstly, before my start the presentation, I wanna apologize for my anxiety presentation because I have no long time to prepare the presentation because my laptop is a little face the error. So secondly, I wanna introduce my name. So my name is Okkar. I attend the NCC education, the Trinity University. And then today I would like to submit the names of the titles, the Python. So what is the Python? It's a little string for the people who does not land, who does not study at the IT positions. But Python is one of the most and one of the popular programming language in the world. And then the Python has many opportunities to get jobs and a lot of many in the whole world. And then, so Python is start from 1991 by Peter Van Rensburg. So who is that programmer? And then, so Python is about 8 out of 10 people a little strange and don't know what is the Python, what is the IT. So I would like to tell you to understand. So the Python programming language is very useful. It's not only very useful, it's really great, powerful for the times, and that is great for the beginners, the programmers, and the experienced professional developer. So it's really powerful programming language in the world. And then the Python has emerged as an important contributor. So we are not saying with the IT because the IT system relates our every single day, and the IT is necessary in our future lives because our world is becoming too full with technologies. But if you can think, we are not really with IT, but actually we are really with IT because our mobile phone as example is a really technology. So if you don't like the technology is related you tomorrow. So there's a lot of programming language in the world, and then all of these are really appropriate and really powerful as their roles and as convenient as it should be. But Python is more faster than the other language. That's the reason why I only submit the topics of the Python. So why all the people need to know the programming? So because IT really relates to our daily life, and our mobile phones are actually technologies, and if we don't know technology, we are not come with the second step flow. So that's why, in my opinion, we need to know what is the technologies or what is the items, not in theories, just normally. So there's the logos of the trees are the more famous programming language. This is a Java, and this is a Python, and this is a C#. So there's a really powerful and height-oriented programming language in the world. So let's continue to tell about the Python. So some people are a little confused between the programming language. Some people told me the Java is really greater than the Python, and some people told me Python is really better than the Java in the security role. But there's not a controversial thing. There's no need to controversy between the programming language because all of the programming language are really appropriate and as convenient as it should be. So that's it. And then so Python can accelerate a lot of web security, and then recently I use applications such as Facebook, Instagram, and the other important and the other famous website securities are paid with Python. So Python is really grateful and is really malevolent. The beginner programmer should learn the programming start with the Python because it can give you the precise 100% of the answer and how to know how to solve the problem and how to solve the error. The Python can give you the precise answer. So there's a numerous projects that the world's greatest companies in the top 1 countries actually use the Python once they build in the strongest website. So we can use the Python on our phone and we search the Google and text box. We text in the text box and we text the Python doc online, so we can use the Python in the Google. And then there's numerous amounts of books in the world related with the IT, including Python. So you can read a lot of books about the Python. So not only in mobile phones, but also you can learn the Python in the book. So Python is really simple. It is really simple and really flexible with all of the pivots and all of the beacons. So Python is simple and easy to learn syntax analysis, readabilities, and therefore reduce the cost of the program maintenance. But Python, obviously Python can reduce the time of our daily life because Python is really short and shortcuts of the Python are really short the other language. So we can reduce the waste of our life and the waste of the time in our life. And then Python is an interpreter-oriented, object-oriented, high-level programming language with dynamic semantics, and it's high-level based in data structure, so make it very attractive for rapid application development. Python, so I tell you about mentioned. Python is really short and Python is really rapid, so it can establish the websites and security very rapidly. And then, as well as subscribing of real language to connect existing components together. Python, the website that is right behind the Python are really strongest and the securities are really assuredly. And then, since there's no conditions that the edit text defense against in incredibly fast. Python is obviously really faster than another language. So the short keys of the Python, it kind of opposes only print and legend. So the other language output short keys are really long and difficult. But I don't mean that is not good. There's a really as convenient as it should be. That a lot of programming languages are really perfect. So would you mind? Have you any questions for my presentation? Thank you for everyone for your attention.
Sorry, yeah. Hello, yeah. Original, yeah.
Hello, can you hear me?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So do you have any questions? Phil, do you have any questions to him? No question. Okay, how about Amanda? Do you have any questions to him? Don't look at me, look at him. Talk to him. Okay? Do you have any questions to him or do you have any suggestion to him about his presentation?
Yes, I would try another language except the Python if I got the opportunity to learn the other language, because there is no get to reduce our times and ways of our lives, because the landings are really upgrade our lives and improve our lives. So the landings is really important in our protection journey. Thank you.